Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and fine. Can you all hear me? And all of you whose cameras are not open, kindly open your camera. I cannot say on daily basis to open your camera. You all should know that you all have to open your camera when your class is started. I cannot repeat the same sentence 1,000 times whenever I start class. Open your cameras, everyone. It's been 2 weeks still since we are taking classes, and still I always told you in every class that kindly open your camera, kindly open your camera so that I can see all of you. Mariam, I seriously didn't understand one thing. If it's light issue, तो आप class भी attend नहीं कर सकते ना, but if you are attending the class, so you can open the camera as well. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Miss, but my UPS is working, but we need to close all the lights so it could stay for long so I could watch all of your classes.
What? I cannot
Or
hear.
else
PS is?
I'm saying that we have to keep all our lights closed because our UPS is still working, but it will close after a short time and then I cannot watch the class. So that's why I'm trying my best.
All right.
I'm sorry.
Rest of the students, Abdullah, Alvi, Sabika, Fatma. What about you guys? Okay, everyone. So, as I've already informed you in the group that Ms. Ikra won't take your class today, and I'm going to conduct all the subjects instead of Ms. Ikra. So, let's start our class with the English. First, we will study English. After that, we'll continue science. Okay? All right. Okay, so everyone take out your English worksheet. Everybody take out your English worksheets. And show me your English worksheets. Where is Abdullah Alvi? Zayanuddin, why your camera is off? Hunain, Hassan Ahmed, just do not touch your screens. Whenever you touch your screen, your camera got off. Inaya, Hunain, Zayanuddin, everybody. Okay. Now take out page number. Let me tell you. Page number 6. Past tense heading is written on the top of the page. Show me. No, not this one. Not this one, Inaya. Yes, this one. Yes, right. Hassan, show your worksheet page. The page which Hassan took out, you all have to take out that page. Hassan, Ahmed, show your page to everyone. Yes, Anaya. Very nice. Sabika. Yes, Hunain. Abdullah Anvi. Yes, this page. Yes, Sabika. Very good. Yes, this one. Musa Fatma. Zayanuddin. Okay, have you all taken out that page? No, not this one, Hunain. Not this one. Hassan, show your page. Yes, Aris. Hunain, see which page Hassan is showing. Not this one, Hunain. Past tense heading is written on the top of the page. Zayan, can you show me your worksheet? Yes, Zayan. Yes, Zayan.
Teacher, wait.
Wait for what?
To bring my worksheet.
Why your worksheet is not with you right now? Go and bring it. Zayan, go and bring it fast so that we can start the exercise.
Teacher, this
Yes, Hunain, this one. Kissa, did you find the worksheet? Kissa? All right. Tell me one thing. आप लोग present tense revise करते हैं? Because very nearly I am going to take your grand test of these tenses. Present tense revise कर रहे हैं आप लोग साथ साथ? Very good. Zayan, can I start? Okay. So all of you look at the worksheet. Complete the paragraph below by filling in the missing words. Be sure to change the verbs to past tense. Okay. So उन्होंने हमें नीचे एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है and the paragraph is obviously in past tense. वो पैराग्राफ past tense में, मतलब उस पैराग्राफ में जितनी भी बातें हो रही हैं वो सब पहले हो चुकी हैं. All of these things were done before. ठीक है, ये प्रेजेंट में नहीं हो रही हैं, ये पहले हो चुकी थी. अब उन्होंने कुछ जगहों पे on some places they put dash, उन्होंने dash लगा दिया है, और they are asking you to put the correct verb in a past form. आपको पता है verb की दो forms होती हैं, regular verb and irregular verb. ठीक है, जब हम रेगुलर वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम उसमें ईडी ऐड कर देते हैं, राइट? और जब हम इरेगुलर वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसकी बिल्कुल यूनिक स्पेलिंग होती है, डिफरेंट स्पेलिंग होती है। इसी तरीके से हमें यहाँ पे सारी जो एग्जाम्पल्स, मतलब सारे जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं वो सारे प्रेजेंट टेंस में दिए हुए हैं और हमें सूटेबल वर्ड को ब्लैंक में लिखना है, बट इन दी पास्ट फॉर्म। सी, दे हैव शोन यू ऑलरेडी। समथिंग टेरिबल हैपेंड टू मी लास्ट वीक। कुछ बहुत ही बुरा हुआ था मेरे साथ लास्ट वीक। क्या हुआ था? नाउ सी, on Monday I bought a lottery ticket at a shopping mall near my home. ऊपर buy का word कट हुआ हुआ है, it means buy की second form है bought, buy की second form है bought। तो क्या बोल रहे हैं? मंडे को मैंने एक लॉटरी टिकट खरीदा था अपने शॉपिंग मॉल से जो कि मेरे घर से करीब है। ऑलराइट, ठीक है। बाय को उन्होंने सेकंड फॉर्म में चेंज किया एंड बाय इज अ इरेगुलर वर्ब, so the second form of buy is totally different, which is bought. Now move forward, number 2. Okay, Aris, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Aris, let's see. See blank number 2. I dash the ticket in the pocket of my jacket. Which word should come here? I dash the ticket in the pocket of my jacket. हाँ Aris? Aris, I cannot hear you. Can you speak a little louder? Iris, I still cannot hear you. What are you saying? Iris? Yes, put should go there. Okay, I just read your message, Iris. Okay, so the word put is same in first form. अगर हम उसको past में change करेंगे तब भी वो put रहेगा, उसको future में third form में change करेंगे तब भी वो put रहेगा. As I have told you when we were discussing about past tense, I have told you that there are some words जिसकी second form same रहती है, उसमें कोई changes नहीं आती, ना तो उसमें ed add होता है ना उसकी spelling change होती है, वो same रहती है. So put is that kind of a word which cannot be changed when it is written in the past tense. All right. So in second blank, I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket. Now, come on, blank number 3. Yes, Abdullah Alvi, I ask you to unmute yourself. Abdullah, I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Abdullah. Okay, now see blank number 3. And dash home. What should come here? Abdullah, why did you mute your mic? I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Abdullah. See blank number 3. I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket and dash home. Which word should come here? Yes, Mariam, you were right. Yes, Abdullah?
Go.
Go? What is the second form of go, Abdullah?
Go.
Abdullah, what is the of go?
Go.
Abdullah, go की second form go होती है?
Go.
नहीं Abdullah, go की second form बिल्कुल different है. I told you last time. Went is the second form of go. Went is the second form of go. So went should come here. I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket and went home. Now cut the word go and cut the word put. क्योंकि put और go आपके already आ चुके हैं. Cut these words.
Okay.
Okay. Now move forward. After I got home, I went to bed and dashed about the ticket. After I got home, yes, Noorul Hadi.
टीचर 2 क्या था?
Number 2 में था, I put the ticket in the pocket of my jacket and went home.
Okay.
After I got home, I went to bed and dashed about the ticket. What should come here? Noor, can you give it a try?
Okay.
Yes, tell me. What should come in number 4? After I got home, I went to bed and dashed about the ticket.
Forget.
Forget. What is the second? Very good. What is the second form of forget? Forgot.
Forgot.
Yes, forgot is the second form of forget. Very nice, Noor. Now, forgot will come in number 4. After I got home, I went to bed and forgot about the ticket. Okay, moving forward. On Tuesday morning, I got into my car and dashed to work. On Tuesday morning, I got into my car and dashed to work. Yes, Hassan Ahmed. What should come here?
Teacher, go.
No.
Drive. Drive.
Drive. Yes. What is the second form of drive?
Drove.
Yes. Wait. Let me check. Yes. The second form of drive is drove. On Tuesday morning, I got into my car and drove to work. Cut the word drove. Cut the word drive in the box. Yes, Inaya, I ask you to unmute yourself. Okay, moving forward. On the way to work, I dashed the radio and a man on the radio said my lottery ticket number. What should come here?
Look at.
What?
Look at.
I look at the radio.
Found the radio.
I found the radio. जब हम गाड़ी में बैठते हैं तो हम अपने रेडियो को ढूंढते हैं या रेडियो को ऑन करते हैं? See which suitable word should come here?
Turn on.
Yes, turn on. What is the second form of turn on? Turn off second form होगी turn on की. Am I asking you the opposites? Turn की second form क्या होगी? On की तो कोई second form हो ही नहीं सकती, ठीक है? Turn की second form क्या होगी? Turn की second form. Turned. Turn is a regular verb. So when we convert into past, we will only add ed at the end of the turn. So the second form of turn on is turned on. On the way to work, I turned on the radio and man on the radio said my lottery ticket number. Then I ask you to unmute yourself. Yes. After he dashed my number, I put my hand into my jacket pocket. After he dashed my number, what word should come here? See in your worksheet and tell me. See which word from the box should be here. After he dashed my number, I put my hand into my jacket pocket. Yes, Zayan. Zayan, we don't have so much time.
I don't know, teacher.
Why you don't know, Zayan? Try it. Try it. See. Where I was. I turned on the radio and the man on the radio said my lottery ticket number. ठीक है उसने अभी क्या बताया लास्ट सेंटेंस में? जब मैंने रेडियो खोला तो जो मैन था रेडियो पे उसने मेरा लॉटरी टिकट नंबर बोला. आफ्टर ही डैश माय नंबर, मेरा क्या हो सकता है? सी द बॉक्स.
L.
See the box, see the box, see the box. There are so many words given in box. Forget, buy, is, drive, go, say, find, put. Which word should go here?
Teacher, where, this?
No, we are not doing this worksheet. Hassan, can you show the worksheet page to Zayan? We are doing this worksheet. Yes. Kissa, can you give it a try?
Yes.
Look for.
No. After he dashed my number.
Find.
Did he find my number? How could he find the number of the other man?
Miss, she looked at.
No. Yes. Yes, Hassan.
Yes. Teacher, say.
Say. What is the second form of say, Hassan?
Said.
Very nice. Clap for yourself, Hassan. Very nice. After he said my number, I put my hand into my jacket pocket. Oh no! The ticket dashed in my pocket. Jafar, can you give it a try? Yes, Jafar. What? After I put my hand into my pocket, oh no, the ticket dashed in my pocket. See the box.
Yeah, don't know.
Yes, Daniel.
टीचर कौन सा पेज है?
Very nice, Daniel.
टीचर कौन सा पेज है?
Worksheet page to Daniel. Daniel, can you look at the screen and see which page your friends are showing to you? Daniel, open your worksheet. Past tense is written at the top of the page. Mariam Fatma, can you tell me what should come here? Oh no, the ticket dash in my pocket.
Isn't
What is the second form of isn't? When we convert is not into past, what it should be?
Isn't.
No, देखें, look, I told you जिस तरीके से हम present में is, am और are use करते हैं, इसी तरीके से past में was and were use होता है. is की जगह पे was आता है and are की जगह पे were आता है, ठीक है? तो the is not, if is not is written here, तो जब हम is not को past में convert करेंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा मरियम? टेल मी. इस को जब हम इस को पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वो वॉज होता है. तो इज नॉट क्या बनेगा? Mariam, can you hear me? Mariam,
Yes.
can you understand what I was saying?
Yes. But I do not.
Mariam, I cannot hear your voice.
Yes.
मरियम, तो जब हम इज नॉट को चेंज करके पास्ट में लिखेंगे तो व्हाट इट शुड बी? मरियम, नहीं समझ में आया? मरियम, आई नीड एन आंसर, आई एम वेटिंग.
No.
सी, इफ अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आता है ना, immediately tell me teacher I am not understanding what are you saying. I will repeat it. We have only 3 minutes left. After 3 minutes rejoin my class. You all know that, right? When this class will end, rejoin the class. Okay, see Mariam, आपके पास present में क्या होता है? She is, he is, it is, इसी तरीके से होता है.
Yes.
ठीक है. इसी तरीके से हम जब प्लूरल्स के साथ क्या यूज करते हैं? वी आर, दे आर, वी आर प्लेइंग, दे आर प्लेइंग, यू आर प्लेइंग. ठीक है. जब हम पास्ट टेंस में आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली हम इज और आर तो यूज नहीं कर सकते. पास्ट टेंस में आके हम क्या करते हैं? इज की जगह पे जिन चीजों के साथ इज लगता था उसके साथ हम वॉज लगाना शुरू कर देते हैं, और जिन चीजों के साथ आर लगता था उनके साथ हम WERE वर लगाना शुरू कर देते हैं. ठीक है. तो जैसे अगर उसमें आपके प्रेजेंट में है शी इज, तो पास्ट में ये बन जाएगा शी वॉज. इस तरीके से अगर प्रेजेंट में है दे आर, तो पास्ट में बन जाएगा दे वर. इसी तरीके से जब हम यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस कर रहे हैं तो लिखा हुआ है द टिकट इज नॉट. जब हम इसको पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? द टिकट.
No. Okay, I understand.
What?
Instead of are, we use were in past sentence. Instead of
Is we use was
we
in
use
past.
was.
Yes. So the word is not is written here. What should we use instead of is not? We should use was not. The ticket was not in my pocket. Understand? Mariam, understand?
Okay.
Okay. So the ticket was not in my pocket. Next, I drove back home and what now? What will come here? Yes, Kisa.
Find.
No.
Find.
No. जब हम किसी चीज को ढूंढते हैं, जब हम किसी चीज को ढूंढते हैं ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो?
Look at.
लुक फॉर, नॉट
Looking for.
लुक फॉर.
Look for.
तो लुक फॉर की सेकंड फॉर्म क्या होगी?
नहीं, बड़ी मामी भी यही कह रही
Look at.
है।
No, no, no,
तुम्हारा
no.
साथ तो नहीं था, कोई माँ साथ।
लुक्ड फॉर.
मगर जो मौलाना
फॉर
नंबर
फॉर वर्ड है वो तो चेंज नहीं होगा, सेम रहेगा. जो आपका वर्ड लुक है, इट विल चेंज इनटू लुक्ड. It is a regular verb and we add
Look.
ed
ED.
from the look, so it will become looked for the ticket. Okay, I am ending this session. Kindly read
अम्मी आप अपने
my
पास
class.
ही करें उसको वहां से